Once upon a time, canopy beds were favored by the upper class who could afford this luxurious piece of furniture. They were a status symbol, custom-made and included various small design details that made them special and unique. Nowadays, everyone can afford a canopy bed, and they can add an air of sophistication to your bedroom or make your patio feel high-class during those long summer afternoons when all you want to do is lounge around with a cold drink in your hand. So if you want to wake up refreshed each morning and feel like royalty, a canopy bed can transform your bedroom into a small kingdom. Here are a couple of ideas that will get you started and help you out with the selection. 10 new ways to use Black King Canopy Bed is epic. 1. The King of Elegance. With its crisp edges and wooden body, a canopy bed king size should fill out your bedroom, and high-top panels will add a touch of elegance. You can drape long and flowy curtains. Bright colors are recommended, in order to create a charming and classy atmosphere that mimics the style of royalty. If you are looking for something similar, a Madari canopy bed is well constructed and firm. The darker wood is suitable for every interior design, so it is versatile. 2. Faux leather luxury. Rich wooden frames were very popular in the Victorian period, and the designers back then added numerous details in order to make the whole construction appear expensive and elaborate. An ornate and vintage canopy bed will make your bedroom more extravagant. Edmore upholstered canopy bed does have a lot of ornaments, including faux leather head and footboards. 3. Intriguing elegance. Elegant canopy beds often feature interesting designs that elevate the feeling of opulence. Even though the posts might seem a bit over the top, they will fit into any vintage bedroom and complete the look perfectly. Upholstered canopy bed is a mix of expensive materials and extraordinary craftsmanship. You will enjoy waking up and seeing all the carvings on the frame. 4. Sturdy and vintage. When we talk about unique canopy bed designs, we often focus on contemporary furniture. However, this particular Victorian piece is definitely unusual and magnificent. Camella Canopy Bed has a curved metal top which is supported by 4 sturdy columns that are carved to perfection. It is a little bit extravagant, but if you feel like it would fit your aesthetics, it might be the best option. 5. Details are everything. Metal canopy beds are usually not ornamented, but you can sometimes find a couple of decorations somewhere. Everyone loves cute details, and they can make a bed frame more unique. Even though it is not one of California King canopy beds, this particular model is timeless and has small detailing on the top of each column. It will give you so much space to try out various curtain colors. 6. Black and posh. Black metal canopy beds will suit bedrooms which are decorated with industrial furniture. A slightly distressed finish looks stylish and elegant, especially when combined with upholstery and white sheets. If you are looking for something similar, Beetham upholstered canopy bed might do the work. The canopy is high, with sharp lines, and will not take too much space. 7. Breezy elegance. The thin metal rods create an airy atmosphere and let you soak in the surroundings every time you wake up. The tall canopy will look magical on sunny days, so make sure you use brightly colored curtains for decorating because they look great in contrast with black metal. Footboard features simple designs that complement the bed well. 8. Fairy tale design. This vintage-inspired canopy bed is made for little girls who read fairy tales and dream about faraway kingdoms. A combination of black wood and exotic canopy looks like something otherworldly. The 4-post bed is draped with a white curtain, but you can play with different options and choose something that will be suitable for the color scheme of your kids' room. If you go for pink, it will look very similar to vintage Barbie canopy bed. 9. Perfect for a king. Black iron canopy beds might sound a bit too industrial and cold, but when you add a couple of design changes and include beautiful detailing on the very top, it can become quite romantic and lovely. The construction is still simple and follows straight lines. Once you hang a perfect set of curtains, you will be astonished by the final result. 10. We can be royals. It is clear from a very first glance that the old European rulers inspire this canopy bed. The focus is on details and rich, expensive materials, so it comes as no surprise that the bed looks luxurious and posh. Just like the name says, Royal Canopy Bed is made of wood and features so many small carvings and decorations. It will bring your bedroom to a whole new level.